Let's take it straight to the next exclusive on the show, and that's Uninor. The telecom joint venture between Norway's Telenor and Unitech Wireless is raising funds to accelerate its capex program. Now, this is despite a Supreme Court order which has cancelled all the licenses that the entity owns in India. Mohit Bhalla is standing by in the Mumbai newsroom with the exclusive details. Mohit, what are you picking up?
Right, Avan. In fact, what we are picking up is that Uninor has successfully obtained a 1,400 crore rupee credit facility from a consortium of two international banks. These are HSBC as well as Barclays. It's quite surprising, like you said, given the fact that the Supreme Court has already cancelled the entire entity's licenses. There is no certainty in terms of the future of Uninor's operations in India. The company, however, has clarified that they are very much committed to the Indian market. They have huge investment plans here. Obviously, they have been growing their mobile subscriber base quite phenomenally, already stand at 40 million subscribers. In fact, they're the fastest growing telecom operator in India if you look at the past 6 months in terms of subscriber additions month on month. So obviously, they are committed to the market. They've said that they are looking at setting up a new entity, roping in a new partner to continue operating in India, and they will bid in the fresh 2G auctions that are awaited by most of the incumbent telcos later this year. But obviously, the funds coming in at this point in time is surprising given the fact that they're raising these funds to actually accelerate their capex program, their existing capex program. We also believe that these funds have been raised from international banks who've been provided a guarantee by the parent company, that's Telenor, which of course is controlled by the Norwegian state itself. So clearly, there's obviously enough comfort for the bankers at this point in time to lend to the entity because of the guarantee that's coming in from the parent. We'll have to see what Uninor's plan eventually is. Obviously, they are pretty bullish. That's pretty evident. They are continuing their capex plans. That's pretty evident, and in significant fundraising mode as well.